Did you know the first impression is formed in only 27 seconds? You see, when somebody goes to do a hire, they're gonna take a real serious look at your work, and that first impression could be your make or break moment. So if you're feeling stuck out of work right now or trying to aspire to the next big thing, I understand how you feel, and I've been there. For me, it was as a college graduate fresh out of college, trying to book wedding videos, and then the recession of 2008 hit. As a creative, you know that you have to be willing to take risks and put yourself out there, but it seemed like no one was willing to take a chance on me at the time. So back in 2008, I focused on improving the look of my films, and I concentrated on the things I could control, the things that could have an impact and would get people to take notice. It was a long time ago, but I still remember the Christmas morning when I surprised my wife with a letter for a job offer that she pulled from the bottom of her Christmas stocking. It was the Christmas miracle I needed and my first career job. Fast forward to today, we help filmmakers get the look of their films to stand out through color grading education and software solutions. We help people to color correct their log images, fix exposure and white balance issues, match multiple shots together, develop creative looks like the popular teal and orange look, and navigate the use of LUTs and how best to use them. Along with offering a host of training titles specific to Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro 10, we've also developed an innovative grading plugin that makes color grading super fast and easy. CinemaGrade offers direct on-screen grading, Lightroom-style controls, and a whole host of other grading tools to help filmmakers visualize their looks and create the best looking films they can. I invite you to take the next step in your creative journey by subscribing and watching the videos on this channel. You never know, there could be one tip or trick that you pick up that's a game changer. If we can make a difference in the look of your films, and that helps you get to the next big opportunity, we want to help you accomplish that and see you do big things. With us behind you, you can make the grade.